Picture the Monopoly man. Does he wear a monocle? Millions of people would swear he does. He never has. This isn't a lie. It isn't a joke everyone's in on. It's something stranger, a shared memory of an event that never happened. Psychologists call this the Mandela Effect, named after people who remembered Nelson Mandela dying in prison in the 1980s. He didn't. He was released, became president, and lived until 2013. So why do so many minds land on the same wrong memory? Your brain doesn't record memories like a camera. It rebuilds them every time you recall them, using fragments, assumptions, and whatever fits best. Memory researcher Elizabeth Loftus spent decades proving this. In her studies, she showed that a single suggestive question could implant a memory of an event that never occurred at all. Now add culture into the mix. Cartoon villains often wear monocles, so your brain quietly fills in a detail that was never there because it feels like it should be. Multiply that by millions of people, all filling the same gap the same way, and a false memory starts to feel like shared truth. Here's the twist. This isn't a flaw in a few unreliable people. It's how every human memory works. Confident recall and accurate recall are not the same thing, and your brain rarely warns you which one you're experiencing. So the next time you're certain about a small detail, a logo, a quote, a line from a movie, pause for a second. You might be remembering it perfectly, or you might just be watching your brain rewrite history, one confident guess at a time.